Vietnam. Don't mention the war. But have you heard about the 86 million bank accounts that have gone poof since September the 1st? And I mean poof. No, I hadn't either. This one is truly mind-blowing, and it's all being done under the facade of eliminating fraud and cybercrime. Oh, and non-compliance with biometric authentication rules. Funny, too, that it all seems perfectly aligned with the OECD push for centralised digital currency. Vietnam is the test for the international rollout, and this space needs to be watched intensely by all of us to see what people are forced to do to get their bank accounts back. The implications are immense, but you know that, and if you don't, you better start finding out. What's genuinely interesting about this one, news-wise, is that I couldn't find one mainstream report on the fact that it's even happened, apart from inside Vietnam and Thailand and local papers. And there's a particularly good reason for that.
Why is Vietnam the testing ground for the new banking order? Well, recently, Vietnam imposed a requirement for a digital ID, including a biometric scan of everyone in order to have a bank account. And what they did to enforce this is they closed 86 million bank accounts and seized all of the assets in those accounts. So the owners of those accounts have no ability to do banking or access their funds because they chose not to sacrifice their privacy and submit to this biometric surveillance tracking mechanism. Well, this is not something that is going to stay in Vietnam. This is a test because if we look at, for example, what's going on with the European Central Bank and digital ID initiative in Europe, as well as the Real ID and the CBDC system FedNow being imposed in the United States, we can see that it is coming to us as well. So what are you going to do about it?
So there you have it. Basically, the stories that you're not hearing about are the stories you need to keep your mind on, keep your eyes on, and keep your wits about you about. Because those are the things you really need to understand.